Hi guys, making a very quick video to give my positions. I actually had a good position over the night. I shorted another pair because I was basically very bearish on the euro for tonight, for last night, and I mean it was it was going actually quite well, but I I was up 5% for the uh, entirety of the week. My positions were 10,500 net when I woke up, and but I got greedy. I fell into FOMO. I did not have a proper risk management in place, and I ended up giving all my profits away. And ultimately, this is the balance for today. I almost gave up $700 just in two trades. They were not bad trades, but I took up excessive positions and had to square off because my account limit was about to get breached. Just to give you a perspective on what went wrong, uh, first of all, I will start with the Euro New Zealand pair, Euro New Zealand NZD pair. Uh, it was a pretty, I feel very foolish and very frustrated at the moment. Just to give you a history of these were my positions for the night. These were my positions for the night. Ended up making a good profit on the Euro New Zealand pair over the night, but when I woke up, I got greedy again. I built on excessive positions. If you see right here, I shorted around this particular point. I wrote the profit still here. I had a stop loss about just about here, and I took on excessive positions. I took on two lots, which was more than the normal size. If you see right here, I took on two lots, more than the normal size that I've been trading for a while. And yeah, it went pretty bad. It went pretty bad. I had to square off ultimately with a loss of some 200 odd dollars, but I had to recover that loss. I got into that particular zone where I thought that I would be able to recover, and actually, so I noticed something which was very unique opportunity. I would That's probably a strategy I'm still thinking on what how that correlation is working out. So I think I have figured something in my mind. I'll share when it becomes more concrete, when I have more evidences to support that. But I think that's a pretty good correlation that I'm talking about. I'll share it over the next few days if I can. First of all, I just think I won't be trading for the week now. It's done. My stop losses are hit, and not just the stop losses. I got into a little bit of more of emotional side of the uh, angle in my mind, and I ended up giving a lot than what I earned over the week. I'm probably down the most since I started with this account, uh, but I'll try to gauge where I went. I mean, I know where I went wrong, but I just don't know how to, suppress that sort of stuff. How to position size when it comes to the conviction of a particular trade. After this particular trade went wrong, around 200 odd dollars, I wanted to recover my, uh, I mean, my profits back, and then I shorted the GBP JPY pair. I shorted it around this particular point, the high of this. If you see right here, 169.227. Shorted it around this particular level. The rejection was quite well, but again, I put on excessive lots than I had to. I shorted here, then I shorted here, then I shorted here, and when the market went against me, since I had excessive lots, I had to square off. But ultimately, this trade paid off pretty well, which I was not able to hold, and I almost gave away 350 or 400 odd dollars on this particular trade, even though this was the right thing. I mean, this is the right trade to have, but you see right here, 162, 118, and 67, around 320, 350, 350 odd dollars lost here, 250 odd dollars lost in the previous Euro New Zealand pair trade, and I am again down $600 for the day. My account is very weak now. I have to start back again, which is very frustrating to say the least, because I know I was going well. I know I was performing well. I know I had the right uh, setups in place, but I was not able to capitalize on all of this. And just for the sake of trading, I took a trade and ended up giving a lot of it away, which is not the ideal thing to do. Not definitely not the ideal thing to do, and that's why looks pretty bleak at the moment for the week. Uh, Pretty frustrated, to be very honest. Just wanted to share this out because this is something that I have been telling myself not to do, and this is exactly the thing that I'm ending up doing every fucking time. But probably I might learn. I have to learn because if I have to continue to do this, I have to learn. This was a pretty good setup. I just don't know why I had to square off. I mean, I had to square off obviously, but just the hope and the expectation of going down, I put on excessive loss, and if I had squared up in time, I would have probably been able to hold up more to give this sort of a direction. But I mean, don't really know what to. I guess I'll see you guys next week because if I have another trading idea for the week, but this was how my morning went. Pretty bad, pretty frustrating, and pretty diminishing towards my confidence. But I think I'll see you guys next week. Just wanted to share this out. Thank you.